Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a premium smartwatch from Nexal, the Nexal Watch, model NXL WT1. And on this video, we are going to pair it with its support app on Android smartphone. So we have here our Android smartphone, and we are going to scan this QR code and pair it with its support app. So if you are interested to see the setup process for our Nexal NXL WT1 smartwatch, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and pair our Nexal Watch or Nexal NXL WT1 model with our Android smartphone. So we have here the QR code. So let's scan this. So we have here a QR code scanner. We have the QR code scanner here. And let's search it by scanning the QR code here. So let's scan the QR code for our support app. And that's it. So let's open the website here. Okay, and we have here the support app, Hawofit. And it seems like it's already popular. We have 500,000 downloads. Okay, so to download the app, tap on install. It's now downloading the application Hawofit. We have 99.54 MB. Okay, for the size of our support app. It is available on Android and iOS. Okay, downloaded right away, and it's now installing. Let's wait. And we have successfully installed it here in our smartphone. Okay, so let's open the application. Okay, tap on open. Train smart, better health. Get started. Okay, so we have to log in. We have to activate our Bluetooth, turn on. Okay, for the permission, agree, allow for the relative position, allow. It's now enabling. Okay, agree to the privacy policy, and it is requiring us to log in or sign up. Okay, so we'll register, we'll log in with our account, and we'll continue our pairing. Alright, so we have successfully registered, and as you can see here, okay, we have some permission, so turn on. Okay, no added device to add device. Please confirm when binding device. Okay, as you can see, we already have our smartwatch here. Very fast in searching for our wearable. So this is our Nexal Watch. To select, tap on the Nexal Watch. Connecting to Nexal Watch, please keep the device close to the pair. Okay, continue. Let's see. Close to the phone during the connection and do not close the app. Let's wait for the connection. Okay, pair, and we have it here. So our smartwatch here is it is asking for pairing. Okay, allow the pairing request. Tap on the check, and we have a successful connection. Okay, done. Check, and we are connected. Okay, complete setup. Yes, turn on, and that's it. Okay, allow for the record audio only this time. Turn on while using the app. Just allow the permission for some features. If you don't like to receive notification, you can disable it, or if you don't want to use the Bluetooth call, you can also disable it. And as you can see here, we are connected. We only have 4% battery here, but anyway, we have successfully paired our smartwatch. As you can see, very easy to set up, no issues at all. Okay, so select general functions. Okay, we are paired here. Let's see, telephone, contacts, we'll select the contacts here, plus, okay, allow, let's add a number here, and done. Sync to watch, synchronization succeeded. Let's see, 1 2 3, then let's see, phone, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so we have successfully paired our smartwatch, the Nexal Watch, on our Android smartphone. And as you can see, the installation is fast, the pairing is fast, no issues. Okay, no issues at all here, and so far this connection is very stable. Okay, very good support app here. Very good support up here for our Nexal Watch. So if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe.